In today's video, I am going to teach you how to flatten a drawing in AutoCAD. If you've ever had dimensions behave strangely, hatches fail or object snaps miss their mark, here is a good chance some of your geometry has elevations other than 0. Flattening a drawing removes all z-axis values and projects your geometry onto a single 2D plane, which restores accuracy and makes your file much easier to work with and plot. Here is how to do it. AutoCAD includes a built-in tool designed specifically for this task. Go to the Express Tools tab along the top ribbon. Then look for the Modify panel and choose Flatten. If you prefer using the command line, or you don't see the Express Tools tab, simply type Flatten in the command line and press Enter. Both approaches launch the same operation. Next, you will be prompted to select the objects you want to flatten. You can pick individual items or select the entire drawing depending on what needs to be brought to 0 elevation. Once you've made your selection, press Enter to confirm. At this point, AutoCAD asks a key question. Remove hidden lines. Type N for No, then press Enter. Choosing No keeps all your existing linework intact while projecting everything to the 2D plane. This is usually the best option for drafting workflows because it ensures you don't lose edges that might be valuable for editing, dimensioning, or referencing later. Selecting No turns 3D objects into 2D equivalents without discarding any geometry that happens to be obscured from a particular view. After you confirm, AutoCAD will process the selection, depending on the size and complexity of your drawing. This can take a moment. When it finishes, your selected objects will all sit at elevation 0. Polylines, lines, arcs, and other entities that carried unintended z-values are now flattened, improving the reliability of snaps, dimensions, and hatches. Plotting and exporting also become more predictable because everything exists on a single consistent plane. That's it. Flattening is a simple step with a big payoff. It helps eliminate subtle 3D issues that creep in from imports or modeling, and it keeps your drawings clean, accurate, and ready for production. Thanks for watching.